Ade bi koso wo Ghana ha ehya a che bada se empanimfu abuye ne agusua because wo mo benefit, especially politicians wo mo benefit nti obia ampese wo ka ho asem na oba Ghana yabatuo mu a bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 oba Ghana yabatuo mu a ananse kwan efa so yi empanimfo ema wono mo ekọ aban mu a nanka de Ghana fo ensusuye mu no wono mo susu se ne omu hia nipa o kanokre obi a oye honest a sebe ne hu eni enka bia me kanesa me pa kire se boni bia eni no nanka oye obi a odi nokre eno ne Ghana fo eni suadi huna wono de pe obi a obedi wo manim so obekose mampani so obekose mrache bedwani bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 Afro Barometer enhwehwemu a wono mo eye Afro Barometer survey course 2024 ya enchei medede ye wani mu kura de mawo bra Facebook ene da ho no na wono mo hwehwemu o mo ye efa de Ghana fo gina so a wo mo de to aba no o mo simu fa kese no ano eye wono mo hwehwe obi a sabe odi nokre edura omo agitum se obi odi nokre e de beboa wo man no omo gitum pa eye 73% uyi nipa dua emu nson na omo nso a agitum kakra se nipa odi nokre ehu hia no ono no omo pe no eno nso omo pe enum 5% eno ye 17%. Omo nyini se obi odi nokre ne huhia anaso wono ene ye pe no wono eye 5%. Wura omo nyini se obi odi nokre na sebe oye pepepe a person with integrity, honesty no sa nipa no omo nyini se no huhia no kra ye 5%. Ketwa bi enti se wo hwemu a about 90% egitum se obi a odi nokre oye honest and a person with integrity ehia say ye onu ne yi no ema ne bedi yanim 90% chese we Ghana for edua emu nkono agitum se saa no mo pe na hai omo anka se ohwemu a omo ka eye nipa no nisu ne ne ban character wom ohwe campaign promises a eno su wom even with campaign promises no kra no enhye da nisoro se de wono mo pe nipa no su ne ban so wodi no kre no ohwemu aba fam a wono mo ekasa ababa bia nipa ne free osoma a wosom ne ade nyina awuom ba de edimu ntintimai pa wo nipa du a emu nkono agitum se hia Ghana fo bra ye koyi okandini bi no eyese wo mo pu bi a okura ne mudie mu a person with integrity no wo say di no kre na womo amusika so womo ammo no ma bia won bagie so saade we ne se hia Ghana fo enso na nsen eno ma aba ya batuo mu no eni enyan eni yehu bebre the year 2024 elections ya ge bekum yebu ye nigu so amiye digura mu firi bibia ensi na me ka dia besi sen Ayawaso East abatuo ye course yi Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria Baba Jamal Hajia Amina Adams any omo eka ho a omo pre abatuo no abeye news sesei because no man na esi dada yempemu ano egusu esi ne de because of say amanfo timi etwa no ma ba me nyina yehu binti abeye bibia ase yemene a enye yenti ye ka ho asem ba ehyase enyene saade we hyase enyene ba yatena ho a na me pese oba Facebook Nhyira 104.5 ebehwade eno ma no mo che we ye kosua ya no a hwe nipa epre kosua ya no ho kosua wu na enti etimi kolo a se kosua ya no a Wei eye kosua ya noa bra Facebook be hade kosua aya noa ena wo mukura Baba Jamal posters enti ye che kosua ne ma wo mu a distribute kosua no wo ba na wo hwemfonyini no na wo yi wo kosua wo hwemfonyini na wo yi wo kosua bra Facebook be hade omu a che kosua no nyina no eye Baba Jamal nkrofo a wono mu ne gina ho no a wo mu che kosua no enti wo yi a now he posters no ne poster ne bo no kakraka e ne bo no and they are distributing the nkosua ebra enu na chiri no ebi nso pie ya wo mu che TV enu nso ni ebra Facebook be hade ya Facebook be hade o mu che TV ene ade e de ma wo mu na wo mu a age wo mu de
Nhyira FM. Nhyira FM.
32-inch TV ene kura wo mu no Nasco TV behe
Nhyira FM. Nhyira FM.
enti ora ene so no a wo mo de ko no bi de hihye wo mamotu wo mamakwaje a wo mo de ko just screen for me ebi de hihye wo mamotu mu a wo mo de ko na me hwe we ya na
Nhyira FM.
enti we eye TV a ye che e de ama wo mu a ebeto aba no na eyawrahosem kire se saa no ma we ahyase dada ebi ye sika ne ya hyeda aye ne se o TNT ne de ma wo mu ye ma wo mu ka sika obi wo ho a ba bi otena no woto abantu yetimi ma ne ka sika 5000 e chen de ofiri he ko ayi your friend is saying South Africa and now walk other countries e chen de wo fa car na akọ and now walk twa plane ticket akọ as we see a form of TNT ni atimi explain me MP onimunyamfo baafo awua etna menhia South and I me put it to him a me ne ka ho nsem no he told me say obi ye TNT they do na waja na dwuma wa ye say ntino and we know ye nyina ye nim ba ye bu ye ne aguso ye nyina nim say saa proye no koso ya batum a ye de toni panadwen enso ye bu ye ne aguso ye bu ye ne aguso the recent MPP primaries ni aye ni TNT ni pe koji ye nyagoro ebi sika amanti kura mo nto aba ne nko baabi because sika no ayese ne nsa kan ye to aba ma no ama enti no won nto ma sa candidate a wantua no say inducement na kosura ma che say ye change bibi ansa na ye de aba akwa na mahu release bia Baba Jamal office dia ba say sa enoma na course no won che bibia ma obia na say onye bibi sa na onto vote by bia mahu say ne secretary so abekasa in the media say enye Baba Jamal ene chair no ma no na emum obi ne be sponsor no ebe chair no ma no on his behalf but ye be koyanim ye be hwe bibi tie saa de we Baba Jamal ene kasae ensentrofo bisa anasem tie kakra me wi ade me wo kana meka
until after the elections.
Nhyira FM.
I have not seen anything like that, please. Well, here, have you seen anything like that? anybody buying votes. I've not seen anybody buying, so I can't comment on that. If allegations, why should come to me? We'll investigate that allegation.
Some delegates have received television sets and they say it's coming from your camp. Would you confirm or otherwise?
So if you give television sets to people, what is wrong with it when you gift things to people? Is this the first time I'm gifting things to people?
Right, enti Baba Jamal na kasei. Na ne secretary se hwan no ogina na dem kasaye. Enra metie no. Na o kasa wo TV3. Wo kire se enye Baba Jamal ene chair no ma no. No won chair hwe obi ne free baby be chair. But this is the voice of Baba Jamal. Brand central ni bisa no TBM.
Things to people. I have been, those of you who know me know that every Christmas, every occasion, every
delegates have received television sets and they say it's coming from your camp. Would you confirm or otherwise?
So if you give television sets to people, what is wrong with it when you gift things to people? Is this the first time I'm gifting things to people? I have been, those of you who know me know that every Christmas, every occasion, every instant, I have put down 2.5 million to give free loans to people. So if today you are giving, people are coming to vote and you are giving them something, you are not. It's not buying food. I speak. If you have listened to me carefully, I say, look.
Enti utie no kakra ya. Voice no wa. But say what is wrong? Say Oma omu TV ana Oma omu sa no man. And then that is what he's been doing or caning Zimbabwe. This is Baba Jamal. Nasema oka. I heard other candidates in Subi. And so echiche no maybe wechiri. But you see, this is wrong. And you're wrong, and we must condemn sa act na Akokoa ne Ayawaso East there near Deka. But 2024, ye ko elections. Mamenche wade. Ye ko elections. Ghana Integrity Initiative. Any Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition. Womo de krata ba SIT baby a votes no manfo bi. Akokoa inducing crofos wo monto abama omo kokko chair no ma in the space of vote buying. Omo ye 2024. BBNC will be a meka ho asem. Okankwe South. Omo allege say NDC and Sadumako emal electricity no enkoko chicken. Omo musika any bags of rice about social media. Ayawaso West Wogon. Lydia Hassan and also buy a bag of rice. Legon security gas no ne bi share social media ne ade. Various reports are bad and that screen is no. Over Facebook I'll be said that. We a Ghana Integrity Initiative, any Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition, and they called on OSP ni other investigative bodies. This is that was 2024. Yet Kumu abi BNC and can want some report to be a mabonte about this one. Say OSP shame be any man say BBC cause who report to be a ya antisa manyokuo no kura condemn ye dede efa we hu ene de yaba ene ye hu se afi ene ya sorry. But there is everything wrong with say oche bibi election day. Baba Jamal so woche no ma de bia adenti na wanche dada ewu otrim se obeche TV ene sa no ma na ma wo constituency no wancha mo dada na a day ye to aba na abecha mo. The motive, the intention, anything. So the way papa dada. Baba Jamal, that's your words. Also ye papa dada. Odi ye woche nyen na abesha sia cha noma. Aden wan che TV no. Eni nkosua ya no ano ne sa noma ne dada. Na day of elections no, e na wo beche. Ara mu finsi ye nkwada na se be ye uhuru ye nim kosoro. Ye nim hwe yo. Ya no mufa Ghana for se ye den. Wo cha dada, nti wo anya dada. But on the day of elections no, wo dia bre o mo be ka kire say your intention was not say be influence your man na be news your mo. Sabe akwada wo P6, P5, P3 kra no. Sa se mo a wo kan. sɛ n'adwene ɛyɛ adwuma yie paa ne cognitive function yɛ clear obehu sɛ sɛbe asɛ udi ne ho agorɔ how na yɛayɛ saa deɛ wɔ ya yɛkɔ presidential primaries wobehu presidential elections wobehu constituency regional sika ne yɛde gum enti sese no ho deɛ ntia Ghana corruption tuntimi ntwa da no a ɛho ayɛ dene na yɛgu so ɛkɔ because vote buying ɔno bɛ sɛ sika atotɔ tumi no to koduru wɔ ɛsɛ wɔte ne ka enti sɛ wotia na ate sɛ yɛsɛ politician wawiase na yɛ wo a ɛfiri ha na ɛkɔ ɛnɛ obi bɛ stand for president presidential elections ohia over $200 million MPs no so nyesika ketewa ni nyina ne say ya encourage vote buying it is ka almost say no nyagro. Why should we do this? You name clearly say PNDC law no eka ho asem PNDC law 284 section 33 and 34 eka se we etiamra 33 no was a person commits the offense of bribery if he directly or acting through another person. Baba Jamal secretary no kra waka say another person e be che ye no. Wa kra de Baba Jamal admitting to de no kra de ato agu baby kra. Wa admit so no an no money free no. Or say Omasika gives money or obtains an office for a voter in order to induce the voter to vote or refrain from voting or corruptly does such an act on account of a voter having voted or refrained from voting or makes a gift or provides something of value to a voter to induce the voter to vote in a certain way or to obtain the election of a candidate. Sadie no a crime. Sadie no ya bonifosam 34 no or see treating a person commits the offense of treating if he corruptly either himself or through another person before, during or after an election gives before, during or after an election, underline that, gives or provides or pay wholly in part of expenses given to or providing meat, drink, entertainment or provision to drinks, entertainment, whatever, TV, DN, for any person for the purposes of corruptly influencing that person or another person to vote or refrain from voting, or on account that a person or another person having voted or refrained from voting or being about to vote or refrain from voting, and also any crime. OSP, you've been there. Office ya wakisia jabin. And near we be the day, and I'll be releasing statement say. Afekra na wokɔhwɛ MPPD ni mu aka ho. Ba MPPD me kan ha about say ebi kwaji TNT omo nsa aka bo videos ni nyina wa ha. And it's on social media manfo complaining say omo kɔto presidential primaries na ebi sika ama. Enti omo nto ma omo ne ade. You saw it, kisia jaben, you saw it. It was social media. Ede na moye fa ho enka we ama anya wu a wo mo ankasa within the NDC party wo majority caucus a release statement say yen cancel aba no a obia ka ho asem a enka wo be ba bonten say mo be investigation afa ho ene na we koso Kiseja be am becoming disappointed in you ebre ka se scrap OSP. I'm one of the people me defend the office no. But Ghana Integrity Initiative and this anti-corruption coalition, one more the kind of my indications that Saudi and Kosovo by BBNC. I didn't hear Hosano. But I mean, the mechanics say Ayawaso is by elections and lacking integrity, and so it must be cancelled. Now, about to commission and Kasa ni almost to NDC are responded here. The majority are responding, but the NDC must also know. Say sa about we jaima no kwani adia. No, emfem or my wie enyehia. What will happen? They say sa perception no. Say Monkro for ye corrupt no. Ebe koso because mo be call regional elections, mo be constituency regional, any even presidential primaries. Say mo allow we ya. Siketria hodo no. Bedi the delegates ni trim. Na saa de na mbaye no so be me pensive mo government as corrupt. Timi we ni. This is a test case for you, the NDC. How you deal with the Ayawaso East by elections, saa de yakosui. Very, very much important. And the parliament parliament you buni say a house of integrity omo ye say etimi fa we mu a di wini e di ko wura parliament ya e be dan kura na corruption no so go mai enti parliament so mumu ani nko ho na sa de we no the house of anya majority caucus no nko the entire house of parliament ese mo de mo ano tum speaker of parliament or parliament mo fa mo ano tum anya majority for no nko because gumo ani mo ase if such a person enters parliament ya mo integrity way Matisse sa delegate system no so Professor Frimpong Boateng mo ne ade de ko Supreme Court when see a test case see betumi I expand the delegate system no na nko nipa popotua bi e be pesika de induce omo tie hope the outcome of the Supreme Court yi na omo de yakọ no na omo hwe we lu mo mfanye no ma bi na nsakira yambra because vote buy no e do so dodo NDC and MPP must be ashamed of this conduct. Particularly Ayawaso die clearly. Yeche obiam fam. This is shameful. Eniwu ema ye democracy. And this must not be encouraged. Ayawaso East by elections no NDC primaries no NDC primaries no Ayawaso East NDC primaries no mon cancel na eniwu
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira 104.5 FM.